Can a modern GMC really reach 300,000 miles, or are you slowly killing it without knowing? Does your GMC still feel powerful, but somehow not as smooth or confident as it did when it was new? Have you ever wondered why some GMC trucks easily reach extreme mileage, while others develop serious problems far earlier than expected? Is modern GMC reliability really declining, or are owners unknowingly damaging their vehicles every single day? Are today's engines weaker, or are they simply far less tolerant of bad habits? And most importantly, is there something you are doing right now that is silently shortening the life of your GMC? In this video, we are going to answer all of these questions step by step. No exaggerations, no dealership myths, and no generic advice. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what helps a modern GMC last hundreds of thousands of miles, and what slowly destroys it even when everything seems fine on the surface. The truth is uncomfortable for many owners. Modern GMC vehicles, whether we are talking about the Sierra, Yukon, Acadia, Terrain, or Denali trims, are not weak. In fact, they are more powerful and more efficient than ever before. But they are also more complex, more tightly engineered, and far less forgiving of incorrect usage. The problem is not that GMC builds bad vehicles. The problem is that modern vehicles require modern habits, and most owners still drive them as if it were 15 or 20 years ago. Let's start by clearing up one important misconception. High mileage has never been about luck. Vehicles that reach 300,000 miles do not do so because they are special or because their owners are unusually lucky. They last because small, consistent decisions are made every single day. And the opposite is also true. Vehicles that fail early rarely do so because of one dramatic mistake. They fail because of hundreds of small, seemingly harmless habits that slowly add up over time. One of the biggest silent killers of modern GMC engines is how they are driven during short trips. Most GMC owners underestimate how damaging repeated cold starts truly are. When you start your engine cold, the oil has not yet reached all critical components. Tolerances inside modern engines are extremely tight, especially on newer V8s, turbocharged engines, and diesel platforms. Driving hard or even moderately aggressive within the first few minutes creates where that cannot be undone later. The engine may feel strong, but internally, friction is increasing every single time this happens. This is especially important for GMC trucks and SUVs that are often used for short commutes, errands, or stop-and-go driving. Many owners assume that because the vehicle is large and powerful, it is immune to this kind of wear. In reality, the opposite is true. Larger engines take longer to fully warm up, meaning short trips are even more damaging over time. Another critical issue that most GMC owners overlook is oil life management. Modern GMC vehicles are equipped with oil life monitoring systems, but many owners misunderstand how they work. These systems do not measure oil quality directly. They estimate oil degradation based on driving conditions, temperature, load, and engine operation. If your driving consists mainly of short trips, towing, idling, or aggressive acceleration, the oil degrades far faster than the mileage suggests. Owners who simply follow mileage numbers without considering how they actually use the vehicle are slowly increasing internal engine wear. Oil that has lost its protective properties allows metal-on-metal contact in areas you will never see or hear until it is too late. The engine will still run, but the damage is already accumulating. Now let's talk about one habit that quietly shortens the life of many GMC transmissions: heat. Modern GMC automatic transmissions are strong, but they are extremely sensitive to temperature. Towing, hauling, stop-and-go traffic, and aggressive driving all generate heat. If the transmission fluid overheats repeatedly, even briefly, its protective properties begin to break down. Many GMC owners assume that if no warning light appears, everything is fine. That is a dangerous assumption. Transmission fluid can degrade long before a warning is triggered. Once degraded, it loses its ability to lubricate and cool internal components, leading to premature wear of clutches, valve bodies, and torque converters. This is one of the main reasons why some GMC vehicles begin to shift harshly or unpredictably well before high mileage. Another overlooked factor is how GMC vehicles are used for work. GMC trucks are marketed as tough, capable, and work-ready, which they are. But capability does not mean invincibility. Repeatedly towing near maximum capacity without proper cooldown periods puts enormous stress on the drivetrain. Differentials, transfer cases, and driveshaft components experience loads that build heat over time. Without proper maintenance and driving habits, this stress accelerates dramatically. Even something as simple as shutting off the engine immediately after heavy towing or aggressive driving can cause long-term damage. When you turn off a hot engine, oil circulation stops instantly, trapping heat in critical components. Over time, this leads to oil breakdown, seal degradation, and internal wear. Letting the engine idle briefly after heavy use allows temperatures to stabilize and can significantly extend component life. Electronics are another area where modern GMC vehicles differ dramatically from older generations. Today's GMC models rely heavily on sensors, modules, and software to manage everything from fuel delivery to transmission behavior and safety systems. These systems are extremely precise, but they also depend on stable voltage and clean electrical signals. Weak batteries, poor grounds, and neglected charging systems are responsible for many mysterious problems owners experience. Flickering screens, random warning messages, intermittent faults, and even drivetrain issues often trace back to electrical instability rather than mechanical failure. Many owners replace expensive components without ever addressing the underlying electrical issue, allowing problems to persist and multiply. Now let's address a difficult question. Can a modern GMC really reach 300,000 miles? The honest answer is yes, but not by accident. Vehicles that reach this milestone are not abused, rushed, or neglected. They are driven with mechanical sympathy. Their owners understand that modern engineering rewards consistency and punishes carelessness. Reaching high mileage today requires a mindset shift. It means accepting that preventive maintenance is not optional. It means understanding that waiting for warning lights is often waiting too long. It means recognizing that how you drive matters just as much as what you drive. The good news is that extending the life of your GMC does not require expensive modifications or extreme behavior. It requires awareness. Simple changes, allowing proper warm-up, adjusting oil change intervals based on usage, managing heat during towing, maintaining the electrical system, and avoiding unnecessary strain can make an enormous difference over time. In the next episodes of this series, we are going to break these topics down even further. We will look at specific GMC engines, transmissions, hidden features, warning lights, and maintenance tricks that most owners never learn. Step by step, you will gain a clear understanding of how to protect your GMC and avoid the mistakes that quietly destroy even the toughest vehicles. If you own a GMC, or you are considering buying one, this series can save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration. Make sure you stay with us, because what most people don't know about modern GMC vehicles is often what matters the most.